Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into another video of mine. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So for today's video, I will be doing a full wash day routine, and I'm using a brand that I used to use a lot in the past. So now I'm tapping back into the products, and I'm really excited to see how they're going to work on my hair today, because I did use them a lot in the past and they work so well. So I'm excited to get into it and give myself a beautiful twist out today using these products. So the brand that I'm talking about is Pydana collection, and if you've been supporting me for a while, you will know that early in my YouTube career I was frequently using Pydana collection. So I really love this brand because first off, the products are quality. The brand is also black owned, and this brand had the first black owned thermal caps. So I'm really excited to get into it, you guys. Alright, so first I'm going to shampoo my hair. I'm not going to use any special shampoo. I'm just going to use a regular shampoo that will get the job done. So once I finish shampooing, I'm going to be using my Avocado and Babassu Herbal Silk Deep Moisture Treatment. And then to style my twist out, I'll be using the Avocado Herbal Silk Leave-In Conditioner. Then I'll be applying my Marula and Cupuacu Herbal Silk 3-in-1 Intensive Moisturizer. And then I'm going to seal all of that in with my Luscious Locks Herbal Silk Hair Oil with Argan, okay? So I am doing the LCO method. And the LCO method, if you are unsure about what that is your leave-in, your cream, and then your oil, okay? That is the order in which I'll be applying these products, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and take out this bun. Let's see what this hair is looking like first and foremost. Alright, so I've been rocking a low bun for a few days just because sometimes you just don't feel like doing your hair. So I'm actually pretty excited to start styling and actually do a twist out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and shampoo. Then I'll be back to apply my deep moisture treatment. So it says it deeply hydrates to restore moisture and elasticity to dull, dry hair, reduces breakage, and adds softness and shine for all hair types. Apply liberally to wet, freshly shampooed hair from root to tip. Cover with a plastic cap and let sit for 15 to 30 minutes. Ooh, the frizz. Alright, so this is like a thick, white, creamy product. And the consistency, it feels really hydrating. It feels really soft and like a silky product. I am going to wet my hair some more. Ooh, and it just slides right onto your hair. So I can already feel my strands absorbing this product. Instantly soft, like instantly hydrated. It has good slip, so let's see how easy it will be to finger detangle. And I'm going to add a little bit more water. Adding more water during the detangling process also prevents breakage. So you really want to make sure your hair is elastic and that it's not breaking while you're trying to detangle it. Oh my gosh, my hair feels amazing. What? Alright. Finger detangling. Alright, so that section is detangled. So easy. Literally, look at this. I'm running my fingers right through it. No comb used, no nothing. my hair feels super soft and hydrated. Alright, so I'm going to let this sit for a good 30 minutes and let it just soak and seep into my hair. Then I'm going to rinse and I'll be back to style. So I have rinsed my hair and you guys can see just how hydrated and pretty my hair looks. It looks so soft and I have like reduced frizz. You guys know it was super frizzy up here before I deep conditioned. So yeah, I'm super pleased with this deep conditioner. It literally softened my curls and laid them down. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into styling. So like I said, I will be doing a twist out and I will be doing the LCO method, which is leave-in, cream, and then sealing in with the oil. So that is the LCO method. Alright, so to style my hair in this twist out, I have part my hair into 4 parts. This just makes it easier and quicker for me to twist up my hair when it's already in sections. I can just focus on one section rather than getting overwhelmed with an entire head of hair that needs to be twisted, okay? So all I do is I'm just going to loosely finger part. Alright, so like I was saying, the first product I'm using is the leave-in conditioner. It's a nourishing, lightweight formula. It replenishes moisture and it detangles and adds shine. So this leave-in conditioner is really lightweight. It's almost like fluffy, if that's a good word to use. Alright, so now I'm going to apply my Marula and Cupuacu 3-in-1 Intensive Moisturizer. And this says it holds 200 times more moisture than shea butter, revitalizes dry, damaged hair, defines twist, improves manageability, adds body and shine. Okay, and this is really lightweight as well. Like this has a really lightweight, creamy texture. And also it feels silky in my hands. Alright, so now I'm going to apply my Herbal Silk Hair Oil. So we are sealing in all that moisture, all the moisture from the deep condition, all the moisture from the leave-in, and all the moisture from the 3-in-1 Intensive Moisturizer. Alright guys, so I have finished applying my product. My twists are so juicy and soft and hydrated. Like, if this was a protective style, like if I was leaving this in for like a good 2 weeks, my hair would be a-okay. But I can't wait to see these twist out results. I know they're going to be so bomb. Alright, so once my hair dries, I'll be back to unravel and get into the final look. Alright guys, so my twists are dry. I just let them air dry for about 2 days and now I'm ready to take them out. Alright, so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of this Herbal Silk hair oil on my fingertips and I'm going to slowly unravel these twists. Alright, so just make sure that you're being gentle and that you're not messing up your twist curl pattern as you unravel. Alright, so I have taken out all my twists and you guys, the definition, what crazy, like perfect definition. The Moisture Lock Kit did so well. My hair is so hydrated and bouncy, like what? So now I'm going to separate my curls and add some more body and volume. And this step is really important because this is how I get my twist outs to look like my actual curl pattern, okay? So I just really take my time and focus on each part. So of course I'm going to start in the back. Basically, you just want to be really gentle when you're separating. So again, you're going to need a little bit more oil on your fingertips. And just go ahead and gently pull apart your twist out. So when you pull it apart, it should not mess up your pattern. So you guys see how I just pulled these two pieces apart, but they're still very defined and basically look exactly the same, like I didn't even touch it. That is how you pull apart your twist out, okay? So I'm going to do it again. Just gently separate where I see the natural separation of my curls. Alright, so once you pull apart your twist, what you want to do is just take a little bit of the same product that you use to twist up your whole head. And I just take a little tiny bit and I put it on my ends so that my natural curl pattern really pops, okay? And that's all I'm doing. So I'm just separating and then adding a tiny bit of product to the end so that my curl really pops. Alright? Alright, so I have finished separating. You guys can see I still have the amazing twist out up here, and then I have brought out my natural curl pattern on the ends, and this is how I do my twist outs. So I like for my twist outs and my braid outs to genuinely look like my curl pattern, and I find that this is the best method to do when doing that. So you have the elongation from the twist out, but you also have that like wash and go natural curl pattern at the bottom that it blends into. So once my ends dry, I'll be back to pick out my hair and show you guys the final look. Alright, so my ends have dried. My twist out is basically done. All I'm going to do is pick out my roots just a little bit to add a little bit more body. So when I pick my hair, I really don't like to pick on day 1 hair. I like to pick on day 2 hair. But of course, for the sake of the video, I do like to pick out my hair just to show you guys how you can easily add a little bit more body to your hair. So you can already see this side's a little bit more fluffed at the roots than this side. So yeah, just gently pick at the roots. You do not want to mess up your beautiful twist out. Come on, body. Alright guys, and there you have it. We have a beautiful bouncy twist out. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Make sure you comment below what you think about my results from using the Moisture Lock Kit over the next few days. Of course, my hair is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. So yeah, I'm so pleased with this twist out. Like, literally no complaints. I have amazing hydration. You guys can see the shine. You guys can see the definition. I think the results speak for themselves. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you guys genuinely enjoyed watching me on this wash day, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Comment below which product from this video you're most interested in trying. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.